In a world where creativity reigns supreme, one company stands at the forefront of innovation. Adobe, the titan of the digital realm, has been instrumental in revolutionizing our creative landscape. With a suite of iconic digital tools such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro, Adobe has fundamentally altered the way we perceive and interact with software. They've not only provided a canvas for our creativity, but also redefined the very fabric of our imaginative potential. Adobe, the powerhouse behind some of the most iconic digital tools, has not only transformed the way we create, but also the way we think about software. But what's the secret sauce behind their business model? The answer lies in Adobe's adoption of the subscription revolution. By shifting to a subscription-based model, Adobe has seamlessly integrated its suite of tools into the daily lives of creatives and professionals alike. This has not only democratized access to their software, but also generated a steady, predictable revenue stream for the company. Adobe has democratized access to their suite of tools, ensuring a steady stream of revenue while making it easier for individuals, teams, and enterprises to access and utilize their software. Dividing their business into 3 segments, Adobe strategically positions itself to cater to various market needs. The digital media segment fuels creativity, allowing for expression across various platforms. Adobe Document Cloud, on the other hand, enhances productivity by digitizing document processes. Then there's the digital experience segment, a game changer in the marketing sphere, enabling brands to optimize customer experiences. These 3 pillars, each serving a distinct purpose, work in harmony. Through a diversified revenue stream, including subscription services, product licenses, and additional services, Adobe continues to drive growth and innovation. In essence, Adobe's secret business model isn't just about selling software. It's about empowering individuals and businesses to unleash their creativity and drive success in the digital age. Adobe's commitment to innovation, productivity, and creativity has revolutionized our digital world. It's a trove of tools for artists, designers, marketers, and businesses alike, providing a platform for creation and collaboration like no other. Be it photography, design, document management, or digital marketing, Adobe has got you covered. Join the revolution and unlock your creativity with Adobe today.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.